Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a contact us page like this one in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add a contact page on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to create or to add a contact us page, go to pages and navigation, click on it, and click on this add website button. And from this menu, select contact. You will see two contact us page templates. Select the one that you like. This one comes with a contact us form, and this without the contact form. Let's go with the contact us form one. Click on it. You will see, you will directly land on it and start editing your contact us page. Now let's edit this contact form. Select it first, then click on edit form, and here you can edit the form name. You can, for example, you can name it contact form on my website or just on website name. In my case, benstutorial.com. Click on save. In the email, fill in your email address where you will receive email notifications for submissions. And here you can see the messages that your website visitors left for you or sent to you. And from the fields tab, you can edit the fields you want to show on your contact form. For example, I don't want to receive last name. I will delete it like that. Same thing for the name, the message fields. And if you want to add a new field, click on this plus icon and you can add a short answer. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And you can add a short answer like this field. This is suitable for first name and last name. You can add a paragraph. This one works good for the message field. And a single choice, for example, if you want to offer multiple choices, for example, if you are a member of my website or not, or something like that. And you can add multiple choices, like for example, I am a member and I paid something on multiple choices where people can select option 1 and also option 2. Let's delete these new fields. And to make a field required, open it like that. Let's say for the email field you want it to be required, and next to open it first and next to field is required, check this box. And for the button, you can edit this button text from here and what or the action that will happen after a successful form submission. You can select between showing a message, you can edit it, or send your page, or you send the person that contacts you to a different page. You can select it from here. You can only link or send visitors to a page of your website, not an external page. And to edit the style of this button, click on change button style. You can edit the button color from here. You can also edit the button or the button text color. You can edit the button size, the border width, the corner of the button, and so on. And from the animation tab, you can add an animation to this form. For example, scale, this slide effect, this fade, or no animation. After that, you can start, just double click this text and write your own email address, phone number, address, opening hours. Here for this Google map, just click on this map element, click on edit map. Here search for your your business address, for example, Eiffel Tower. You will see it just like that. Same thing, you can add an animation to this map element or no animation. And here you can edit, or you can replace this image from here. Click on replace image, or delete this element completely like that. You can place this one centered, for example. And here you can add the social links. Click on these social elements, click on edit social icons, and next to each social platform you can edit the link from here or delete it completely, just like that. And after that you can reorder these just like that. And for the social media social icons color, you can edit it from here. Icon color, you can pick red, any color you want. After that, don't forget to update your website to publish this contact us page. Let's view this website or this new page. Your page will be added automatically in the navigation menu. Let's click on it. And this is my new contact us page. This is the contact form. This is the business information like email, address, and opening hours. And this is my business Google Map. And these are the social links. And this is how to add a contact us page in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.